Hey everyone, so I decided to get some 17-inch JK wheels so I could go a little taller tire with same width. So I've got these JK wheels with 265/70R17. Of course I ran into the problem with how do I put my spare tire on the back? It just won't fit, it's a little too big. So came up with a simple solution. Someday I'd like to build a nice rear bumper with a swing out on it. I just haven't got to that project yet. So I thought I'd show you how I did this just in case someone else might want a simple way of putting a JK wheel on the back of a TJ. First of all, we discovered that the rear third light there is a little too short, so we're going to build some spacers to raise that up. So let's jump over to the metal lathe and take a couple shots of doing that. This is just some standard 1¼ aluminum round rod I had laying around. So we're going to go ahead and drill out the centers and then clean it off and on the outside, and then part them off to about 1 inch long. Okay, so we repeated that process 4 times. Sorry for the short videos on the machining, but without a tripod set up, I really don't like running the machine too much without full attention. So anyway, we end up with 4 spacers, a little bit longer bolts, and then I also bought an extra wheel adapter spacer to go from TJ to JK. So we'll go ahead and do the assembly and show you how it looks. Okay, so we got the spacers in there, raised it up a little bit, just tighten down the bolts a little bit. I just run them down snug with the impact and then finish them with a ratchet by hand. Then we just go ahead and slip the wheel adapter on. Since it comes with 5 of these lug nuts, we'll use 2 of the others on the wheel itself, along with the 3 normal ones. So there you have it, simple modification, less than an hour in the shop, and we can put our JK wheel on a TJ. So there it is with the tire on it. We're all finished up, and less than an hour in the shop, and we can put a JK wheel on the back of a TJ. Thanks for watching.